phone is the same.
But then different. They have a pen and my for dog.
You don't need the pen.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek Filipino family. So for today's video is mamaya magluluto ako ng puto at saka gagawa din ako ng ice candy. So yung puto lagi na yung kinakain ng mga anak ko, pero yung ice candy is first time nilang makatikim ng ice candy. So ang lagi kasi nilang kinakain is ice cream lang. So, for the first time is matitikman nila ang ice cream natin sa probinsya, ang ice candy. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching.
Okay.
Ayan, ito na yung mixture na pang puto. So, ano to siya? Bigas harina ang ginamit ko. Yung putong bigas ang gagawin ko ngayon. Mas masarap kasi ang putong bigas kaysa harina na na puto. So, ayan na yung mga puto molds. Ayan. In-order ko yan sa Temu. Maliliit lang siya. Ito. Saka, lalagyan ko ng margarine para hindi dumikit yung puto sa sa puto mold natin. So, ito yung margarine. So, lalagyan ko muna to ng margarine. Papahidan ng margarine para hindi magdikit yung puto. Pagkatapos is ilalagay ko na ang puto mixture. At ayan, nalagay ko na sa puto molder yung puto mix at nilagay ko na rin sa steamer at lulutuin ko nito siya. So, ang ingredients pala nito is, ang nilagay ko is half kilo na harinang bigas, tapos nilagyan ko ng gata, asukal, at konting tawag dito, konting oil, tsaka pahid ng butter sa puto molder. So, yun lang, simple lang. So, ayan. So, lulutuin ko na to. I-steam ko to ng mga 15 minutes. So, try natin 15 minutes. Tapos, kung hindi pa siya luto ng 15 minutes, i-ano ko lang siya, i-extend ng 5 minutes. So, tingnan lang natin. So, ayan. So, may masarap na merienda na yung mga anak ko. Yung paborito nilang steam cake, ang puto. At dahil summer na dito, syempre pag may puto, dapat may panghimagas. So, ang gagawin kong panghimagas sa mga anak ko ay yung paborito ng mga bata sa probinsya, ang ice candy. So, meron ako ditong ice candy wrapper. Tsaka in-order ko lang din to sa Temu. Kasi sa Temu, kompleto sila lahat, yung mga puto molding or basta yung mga pangluto ng mga Pinoy na probinsya ng mga kakanin at saka yung pang ice candy. So meron sila. So nag-order ako sa Temu at ang gagawin ko is ay chocolate flavor candy. So sa probinsya namin is kapag chocolate flavor candy is Milo yung ginagamit namin. So since wala akong Milo dito, so ang gagamitin ko is ang ito, Cadbury, ito na lang, Cadbury chocolate. So, ayan. So, matamis na yan siya. Parang Milo lang din. So, ito ang gagamitin ko at ito ang partner ng panghimagas ng puto. Puto at saka ice candy ang snacks ng mga anak ko mamaya pag uwi nila galing sa eskwelahan. So, first time nilang makatikim ng ice candy. So, puto, lagi na yan silang kumakain ng puto kasi lagi ko silang ginagawan. So, ice candy is first time nilang makakain ng ice candy. So, tingnan natin kung anong reaction nila mamaya. At ayan! Tapos ko nang nabalot yung pang ice candy. So, nakagawa ako ng 8 ice candy. So, malalaki pala yung wrapper ng ice candy ang na-order ko. So, ayan. Nakagawa ako ng 8. So, ano pala to siya? Yung isang pitzel na 1 liter. Yeah, 1 liter yun. Yeah, 1 liter kasi 1,000 ml. So, isang pitchel na 1,000 ml or 1 liter. So, 8 yung nagawa ko. Malalaking 8 ice candy. So, excited na ako mamaya para sa mga anak ko. Ano kayang reaction nila? Ayan, ready na yung putos. Ayan. So, marami-rami din ang nagawa ko. Tapos, meron pa akong niluluto. So, yung last na puto mixture, ayan. So, niluluto pa. Ayan. So, meron ng masarap na merienda ang mga anak ko. So, tikman ko nga kung masarap ba. Ito na yung puto, ayan. Putong bigas. Ang sarap. Ayan, oh. So, parang ano lang siya. Parang yung steam bibingka ang lasa. Sarap. Ayan ito yung last na niluto ko. So, yung dalawa nilagay ko sa yung bibingka na molding kasi naubusan ako yung puto molding. So, sa bibingka molding ko na lang nilagay yung dalawa. So, meron ako ditong malalaking puto. Alas 3 na ng hapon. So, mag-start na ako maglakad papunta sa eskwelahan kasi 3:15 is lalabas na yung mga anak ko sa eskwelahan. So, kailangan mag-abang ako sa gate kasi dito kasi kapag preschool hanggang grade 6, kailangan susunduin ng mga magulang ang mga estudyante. So, mga magulang mag-aabang sa gate kapag lalabas na ang mga bata. So, kasi dito sa bahay papuntang eskwelahan is 15 minutes. So, maglalakad na akong mag-start na akong maglakad papunta sa eskwelahan. Tsaka, mamaya is meron silang masarap na merienda pag uwi nila, pagbalik namin dito. So, nakauwi na kami galing eskwelahan. So, ito na yung puto. At ito yung malalaki yung nilagay ko sa bibingka mold. So, ayan. Meron na silang masarap na merienda. Ang paborito nilang cake. Steam cake. Ang puto. Paborito nilang kakanin.
Oh.
Do you like it so much? You put 4 on your plate. So what can you say about the rice steam cake puto? As usual, it's yummy. Jackie, come on! Jackie! I make a ice candy also. Chocolate flavor ice candy. Come on, eat the puto.
Where's Cassie? Come.
No, she likes puto. She's doing something first. Come on, eat your puto.
I need to. Cassie. Come. Cassie.
Do that later, kasi too excited. Come on, Jackie, eat your puto. Come on. I'll order you another one, okay? Don't worry. I'll order you the same as Cassie. Are you happy?
Yes.
You want the big one? You want this big puto?
Yes.
Okay.
I put it in.
Hey, too much. So you better eat it all. Come eat the puto. What can you say about the puto?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy and fluffy and soft? Yes. Pick it up.
I'm gonna have this one. I don't want another one. God. I'm gonna get some milk.
Why are you...
It was good.
Give Jackie milk also kasi. Yummy puto. Some more for you. When Papa is home, tell Papa you want same as Cassie.
No, but no, Jackie, you can have that iPhone. iPhone is better than Samsung, by the way.
But I love Samsung.
Jackie, iPhone is better than Samsung. You have my iPhone.
Jackie, the Samsung and your phone is the same.
But then different. They have a pen and my phone. No.
You don't need the pen.
A pen is useless.
It's better to use your finger than the pen.
Yeah, if you after you use the pen a
It's
lot,
more- it's
it will
more
stop
com-
working.
It's more complicated.
The pen will stop working.
And if I go to the altar and you need to.
Jackie, when I have my iPhone, no, Jackie, Philly uses her finger for her drawing and her phone.
Nah, mine is better than Cassie.
Mhm.
My feet, your fingers.
And she
really
still
good.
draws better than me.
Why?
Yeah, when I use the pen doesn't work because the pen makes you. It's very laggy. It makes everything go scribbly.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hi, goodbye, Cassie.
Haha, don't care.
Sharon's caring.
Yummy po. Are you happy? I cook puto for you? Yes?
It's my first 11 tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
What's wrong?
I don't know. Are you happy? I cook puto for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Is puto your favorite cake?
I love pizza.
You love puto, yeah.
I
Me
love
too.
Pawpaw.
You love puto.
You copy me.
They love puto.
She copies me.
It's alright. She loves puto too.
What is your right to copy someone?
Ayan, oh. Dalawa na lang natira.
You can eat those.
Ang daming nakain ni
You
Pilya.
got
Si Cassie, dalawa lang nakain niya kasi
I really liked it. It was
nag-ano
very
siya,
fluffy and
nag-diet
yummy.
siya.
Are you full?
Yeah. When you finish eating your puto, you can have the ice candy, okay?
Right.
Hey, why you put your finger in the milk? Is your hand clean? Did you wash your hand?
I forgot.
Nonsense. Should wash your hand, Jackie. I told you many times. Wash your hand before you eat.
I mean, this one.
Is it frozen?
Yeah, it feels really hard.
You see? Let me...
Real.
Yeah. It's ready. So, ito na yung ice candy na ginawa ko. So, first time pa nilang makatikim ng ice candy. So, tingnan natin if they like it.
Thank you.
So, ayan. Tapos na lang kumain ng puto. No. You have to bite the other side. The other side, the end.
I have to
Like
bite
that.
it.
Yeah, you have to bite it. Bite it to open. No, bite it to open. Like that. Like Cassie.
Ah.
Ayan, first time nilang makatry ng ice candy. hindi nila alam paano kakainin.
Got it.
Uh-oh. Can I have the how to?
Okay, like that. Look.
Hey guys, welcome to my candy. Welcome to my channel.
Bite here. Bite it and take it out.
Papa's here. Can I rip this out?
No. Just
Oh yeah, yes.
how do you say that?
Bite it.
Yeah, bite it and eat it. Not like that, Cassie.
It was so cold. And it also fell off when I bit it.
Hindi pala alam paano kainin ng ice candy. Si Cassie, ayan, nilagay niya sa plato.
Mommy, it's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah. Mommy, I need.
Yeah, eat like Philia. That's how you should eat the ice candy.
Mommy.
Kasi that's how you should eat the ice candy like Philia.
Mommy,
Proper.
Mommy went to the back in it. Half of it ripped out. And it was falling off, so I just grabbed the plate to put it here. That's why.
Yeah, that's what Cassie eats her ice candy.
Is it right?
No, you do it all wrong.
The Asian way to eat it is to eat it from here.
Yeah, like that.
How?
From the hole.
In the side, in the side.
And from the hole.
Yeah, where the hole is. Nice.
Yeah. Good. I give for ice candy 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
In the living room.
Kaya naubos si Pele yung ice candy niya.
So, kinain niya ng Filipino style. Si Cassie naman, first time niya kasing kumain kaya hindi niya alam kung ano kainin. And si Jackie.
This is Filipino street food.
Yeah, it's like Filipino sorbet in the province. Like ice cream, ice candy. Call it ice candy.
That was nice.
Mm.
Can I have some more?
Yeah, if you want.
Yes.
I give your ice candy a 100 out of 10.
Thank you, Jackie.
I'm giving it 20 out of 10.
Si Pilya kumuha pa ng isa. Thank you. Say thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching our video
Please like
and subscribe
and subscribe our channel. Our channel.
our channel.
Maraming salamat. So see you next time.
Bye. And so, also, I don't want to go to school for today.